Good morning, this is the latest market news. I'm Uliana. Asian shares recovered from an early bout of nerves while the Mexican peso surged on Tuesday as investors awarded the first US presidential debate to Democrat Hillary Clinton over Republican Donald Trump. Markets have tended to see Clinton as the candidate of the status quo, while few are sure what a Trump presidency might mean for the US foreign policy, international trade deals, or the domestic economy. Opinion polls have shown the two candidates in a very tight race, with the latest Reuters Ipsos polling showing Clinton ahead by 4 percentage points, with 41% of likely voters. Japan's Nikkei swung 0.3% higher, having been down 1.5% at one stage. In the currency market, the Australian dollar is high against the US dollar on Tuesday ahead of the US presidential debate. In early trades, the local unit was trading at $0.7635, up from $0.7618 on Monday. The dollar sank 1.9% on the peso, lifting the peso from the all-time through hit in recent days on concerns that a Trump presidency would threaten Mexico's exports to the United States, its single biggest market. Much the same goes for the Canadian dollar, which touched its lowest since March in early trades, before rallying to $1.3171 on its US counterpart. Against a basket of currencies, the dollar was fraction firmer at 96.360 and the euro was steady at $1.1242. Today we'll see September reports on consumer confidence in Brazil and the flash data for the US services PMI. US services PMI 1345 GMT. The services sector turned weak in August according to sentiment surveys. Although that's still above the no-change 50 level, the downside bias of late is starting to look worrisome. But the outlook is considerably brighter based on the Atlanta's Fed's GDP Now forecast. The model September 20 estimate calls for a solid 2.9% increase in the third quarter. If economic activity is set to pick up, there should be some evidence in today's flash PMI report for September. Otherwise, another decline will deepen concern that the all-important services sector may be headed for trouble. It was the latest market news read by ICO FX. Goodbye.